Hello, I got this off of Amazon, and it is a backup camera with GPS and music ability and different things that allow you to be able to do stuff from here instead of having to do it from your phone while you're driving, so it's much safer. And to be able to hook up the backup camera, this is the wires and the camera and everything, so you'd have to pull everything out, you wire it up, put it back, and then plug it in. So there's instructions that show you how to do all that. I don't have it hooked up right now, so I'm going to set that to the side. But I do have this hooked up, and you plug part of it into your cigarette lighter, you can plug part into an auxiliary cable, or you can do a wireless hookup to the auxiliary. So I'm going to go ahead and hit home right there, and this shows you, this is for if you have an iPhone, this is if you have an Android. The recorder, so I've got the thing right here, but if you get a wreck or whatever, you can go ahead and hit record and that sort of thing. Oops, let's go back home. So, oops, did I stop it? I hit it again, my bad. Okay, so settings, you can do different things in there, and you know, scroll down and do all the different things that you need to do with that. This is how you can wirelessly, set up to, so you turn your radio to that, and then it will automatically play through that. So then you can use Hey Siri and that sort of thing to control everything. So I'm gonna go back home. Right, so then whenever you're ready to use it, that is how you click on CarPlay and Hey Siri, play music. Play music. So there you go. Hey Siri, go to McDonald's.
Southwest M150 Highway in Lee Summit. Is that
Yes.
the one you want?
Yes.
Getting directions to McDonald's.
So, yeah, I recommend this for anyone looking for a backup camera.